Hi, Stuart here from Styck, and in this video we're going to be looking at how to create a progress claim using Styck. Now, if you're unfamiliar with Styck, it's construction management software designed here in Australia to handle project finances and contractual needs. So what we've done is basically build a system that's easy to use, very fast, and affordable. So now, let's check out progress claims. So for a progress claim, the first thing we want to do is set up a breakdown of items that we want to claim percentage amounts against. And within Styck, we can do that going to our projects section here and going to set up projects. Under set up projects, it's just got a list of all our jobs, and we can click through here on any of these and edit them. So we're going to select the job we want to set up a breakdown for, and by clicking on it, it opens this side panel to the right. As we scroll down here, we can see we've got all our project information, and we've got a tick box there that's just called progress claim breakdown. So when I tick on that box, it'll open up here and I can see a bit of a table happening there. And by default, it just puts in one there called contract works and the full value of the project. But what I can do here is I can add lines. And this section here will be displayed on our client progress claim. So whatever we put here, we'll be able to claim percentages against. So whether we want to break that down into different parts of the project, like demo and fit off and rough in or stuff like that, or areas or whatever we want, however we want to break this down for the client, we do so using this progress claim breakdown. And once we've filled out all that information there, we just click on Save Project and we're done. So that's how we create our progress claim breakdown. We can also go back and edit that breakdown. We have to, for example, if the client wants to change things up a bit, we can go back and edit that breakdown again if needed. So now that we've got the breakdown, let's go on and create a progress claim. Now that we've done our breakdown, we can go ahead and do a progress claim. So to actually do a progress claim, we head to our contract section and go to progress claims. On this screen here, we can see we've got our tabs where we can tab between subcontractor and client progress claims, and we've got our list view of any of our previous claims that we can click on any of these and have a look, and we can also look up the PDF attachments as well if we want to see that. So to create a progress claim, we just click on New Claim here on the right-hand side. And the first thing we have at the top here is a status. So we can have it as submitted, assessed, or approved. So at the moment, I'm just going to say this is a progress claim we're about to submit. Now, on the right-hand side, we've got our claim summary that will show our contract values, any variation values, project totals, and the amounts we've claimed to date. And obviously, as we do our progress claim, those figures will change. Below there, we also have our retentions values as well, and we've got an edit button there as well, so we can actually edit any any retention values on a particular progress claim. And down below that, we'll just have this claim value after retention. So what we're going to do here is we're going to put in the claim. Now this is claim number 8. We have a reference number box, so if that it does apply, we can fill that out. And then we're just entering those claim dates. So we're going to put in there a start and end date for our claiming period, and we're putting in a claim date. So I might say it's today or whatever that date is. And we can also put a payment date in to say, okay, when is this payment claim due to be paid? Below there, we have our breakdown table of our claims. So you can see this one's a little bit different because I've changed projects from the previous example, but this is an example of a job where I have all these items broken down, I've got all their values, and I can put a percentage amounts against them. Below that, you'll see I've got my variations as well. So those variations anything that's been created within Styck will show up in your progress claims ready to be claimed against. And the way we can alter these claims, we've got 3 options here. We can either put a percentage amount in, or we can change the actual claim value to say, well, we're going to claim a full value, which will alter that percentage. Or we can say for a balance. So I might say, well, I only want to leave $45,000 for example there, and that'll alter the figures. And as you can see, as I'm updating this, it is adjusting these figures here. So that is how we can do a progress claim in Styck. So we can just go through there, enter our percentage figures, and that'll calculate that figure from us. Once we've finished a claim, we can now create that claim and send it to the client. So I can just now click on Create Claim. I'll get a pop-up verifying who that I'm sending it to, and I click on Confirm and Send Now, and that'll be sent to the client. And if I wanted to see that down here, I can see that it's been submitted. I can now click on that and have a look if I like and go back and review it. Or I can also close that now. And if I want to actually see the PDF, I just click on Open PDF and then it'll pop up down here and it will take me through to actually see that progress claim. So there is our progress claim that we've just sent to the client. So that's how we're doing progress claims in Styck. Nice and simple. All the calculations are done for us. And it's just a nice, smooth, and easy way to do it. So there it is. That's how easy it is to create a progress claim using Styck. Far easier than a traditional spreadsheet and a lot less risky too. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.